Hello, today we are still at Enel Joseph's apartment in Seguku, your favorite apartment, and today we are cooking some chicken. And today I am Susan as usual with my daughter Grace Kaunde, and we have a friend, a very good friend who has joined us too.
Charabuza Grace.
So today we are going to make some chicken. Come and see the chicken.
There's also this anything here.
Okay. So we got this chicken from the market. It's off layer. It's a bit hard. It's a bit soft. It's already cut. They cut it from the market. So we decided we bought two. We asked the chicken seller to cut it for us so that it makes life easy. And we're going to show you how to boil chicken, off layer chicken, the Ugandan way. Okay? So Grace, now we have two Graces now. I don't know how to differentiate. So we have
Grace Senior and Grace Junior.
Grace Junior. I'm going to give you work. Grace, extend here. Grace, okay, let me start with Grace Senior. Grace, we are going to cut off some of the fats because in Uganda we prefer to eat food with less fats. Use this scissor to cut off the fats as we clean the chicken. Okay, we have different ingredients. Let me first explain. We have the chicken. We are going to use simple ingredients. We're going to use onions as usual. We're going to use green pepper. We will add tomatoes and some carrots. Then we're introducing a natural tenderizer. What is this? Jinga. So jinga is a natural tenderizer. Some people can use other things, but for us we're going to use jinga. We'll add it and then it will soften the meat. It will turn out very soft and also cook very quickly.
No fats, you don't want fats. Healthy living is the way to go. So I'm removing the fats because some people like us, we don't want fats, you see.
We are losing weight.
We are losing weight. We want to be portables.
In terms of water, you don't have to put so much, but just put enough and make sure that you don't have to add, because boiling does not require adding more water, because if you add more water then you dilute the soup. So what I normally do, I just put just slightly above the meat, the chicken in this case.
But it has to get enough water.
Enough water, just slightly above. Because remember, when we put tomatoes, they also add some water. So this is enough water. I'm not going to add up to the end of the cooking. It's good to cover the food so that it's the steam comes back into the food and the aroma, and you don't lose nutrients through the evaporation of the soup. So I'm going to cover and I'll put the ingredients at once the cutting is done. And after putting ingredients, I will not open the food, the meat until it's ready. For the chicken like this, give it about 1.5 hours on low fire, so that you give it enough time to cook so well and simmer so well. No need to rush good food. Grandma used to tell us that don't rush good food, and that's what she would do as well. So today we need to learn to do more of slow cooking than quick cooking. For me, I cut my tomatoes big. Why? Because I'm going to cook them together with the meat from the start, and so they'll cook very soft, and then I remove the covers. And then okay, hold on, I'll give you one tomato to cut. So there's no need to cut into very tiny small pieces, because in any case it's going to cook and be reduced to small, very tiny pieces. And then we pull out the peels. So you cook with it, but remove it before serving, please. But you can choose to leave it there, but it's better to remove it before serving, so that, do the cleaning, sweetheart, so that the people eating, they don't land on something very sour. Although the bitter, they cook better. So you can see that the meat has started boiling and the water has actually reduced. So put in some little salt, add the ingredients.
There's also this one you need and put in it.
We mix everything together and close. Voila. So now we are going to cover as the food cooks by itself.